Jenny, and you're watching Jenny's Pom Pom Power here on the M&M channel. So today I'm going to show you 3 of my super cool moves. Okay. First up, a backflip. And I might do it a little too fast for the camera. I might do all these things a little too fast for the camera. But just know, this is a backflip. Well, backflip. Whoops. Let me show you again. Woohoo! Woo! Here's a front flip. And I'll show you twice. Okay. Here's another front flip. Okay. And now I'm going to spin in the air. Or a twirl. Woohoo! Here we go again. Woo! Good thing I have super cheerleading skills. Okay. Well, thanks for watching Jenny's Pom Pom Power. Tune in sometime when I feel like making another video. Bye, guys.